I sold AI-generated art on Etsy for the last 30 days, and I made exactly $307 in pure profit. No followers, no email list, no business background. Just Midjourney, Etsy, and one simple system. And I'm going to show you exactly how to replicate it. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step system to earn $300 a week selling AI-generated images on Etsy. By the end, you'll know how to generate profitable designs with Midjourney, find niches where people are actually buying, price your listings for maximum sales, and avoid the 3 biggest mistakes that kill most people's Etsy income. And stick around because the second method, using AI upscaling to charge premium prices, is the one barely anyone is talking about yet. Let's start with the foundation, Midjourney. If you haven't used it, here's the real talk: the free trial gives you about 25 image generations. That's enough to test the concept, but you'll need the $10 a month basic plan to scale. Go to midjourney.com, hit sign in, create an account, then join their Discord server. In Discord, go to any of the newcomer channels and type your first prompt. Here's the exact template I use: a cozy bookshelf full of vintage books, warm lighting, oil painting style, high detail, 4K resolution. Hit enter. Midjourney will generate 4 variations in about 60 seconds. This is where most people mess up: they generate random stuff without a strategy. Don't do that. Generate 20 to 30 images around one niche first, let's say cottagecore home decor, vintage cats, or inspirational quotes on aesthetics. You want a cohesive collection before you list anything on Etsy. The common mistake? Generating 500 random images thinking quantity beats strategy. It doesn't. Focused niches outsell scattered collections every single time. Now you need to pick your niche before you even create a single listing. This is where the real money is made. Open Etsy, search for keywords like printable art, digital download, or wall art. Sort by best-selling, these are your competitors making actual money. I spent 20 minutes analyzing listings and found 3 angles: printable wall art for home offices, selling between $3 to $8, digital stickers for planners, selling $1 to $3, and motivational quote posters for small businesses, selling $4 to $10. Here's the move: pick one niche, go deeper. Go to TikTok and search the same keyword. Watch what content performs. If you see the same cozy cottagecore desk setup video with 2 million views, that's a sign people want that aesthetic. Your niche should solve a specific problem or fit a specific lifestyle. The mistake here? Picking a niche you don't understand or that has zero demand. Spend 30 minutes researching before you generate a single image. We're halfway through, and this next part is where the second biggest earners stop showing up. Most people think all AI art sells the same. It doesn't. When you upload your first image to Etsy, you'll get prompted to add a title, description, tags, and price. The title is where SEO happens. Don't write pretty flowers. Write vintage wildflower print, cottagecore wall art, botanical illustration download. That's 13 words with keywords people actually search. Midjourney images typically sell best at $2.99 to $4.99 for instant digital downloads. Set your price there first. As you get reviews and repeat sales, test $5.99 to $7.99. The description matters: explain what buyers get: instant digital download, high-resolution 300 dpi, ready-to-print 8 by 10 or 11 by 14, commercial license included. Most Etsy buyers don't know what those terms mean, but they feel like they're getting quality. That's psychology. The common mistake? Underpricing to 99 cents thinking volume wins. You'll get buried in Etsy's algorithm because your conversion metrics drop. Price confidently. Here's the lesser-known method that separates the $100 a month earners from the $300 plus crowd: remixing and upscaling. Midjourney generates 1024 by 1024 pixel images, good for web, but printable art wants 3000 by 3000 minimum. Use a free tool called Upscale. It's AI-powered upscaling software. Download your Midjourney image, open Upscale, hit Upscale, and choose the 4x multiplier. Boom, your image is now 4000 by 4000 pixels. That's gallery quality. Then, here's the move: generate variations of the same concept with slight tweaks. Prompt example: vintage bookshelf with warm lighting, oil painting, no text, 4K, but this time add a cat in the corner. Now you have 2 related images. Bundle them. Create a Etsy listing called Cottagecore Bundle, 5 vintage aesthetic printables, $5.99. This works because people love feeling like they're getting a deal. You're selling 5 images the same way you'd sell one, but the perceived value quadruples. The mistake? Not bundling and treating each image as a one-off. Bundles outsell individual listings 3 to 1 in my testing. Before I show you your action plan, let me hit you with the 3 mistakes I see kill momentum. First, uploading before testing. Don't create 50 listings then hope one sticks. Create 5, wait 2 weeks, see what gets views and conversions, then double down on the winners. Second, not checking commercial licenses. Midjourney's current terms allow commercial use on paid plans, but Etsy has specific requirements. Read Etsy's guidelines on AI art, they're strict about disclosure. Being honest in your listing, created with AI, edited by hand, actually builds trust, not breaks it. Third, giving up after 2 weeks. My first 3 listings made $0 for 10 days. Day 11, 1 sold. Day 14, I had 4 sales. Consistency compounds. You need at least 20 to 30 listings before you hit the Etsy algorithm's sweet spot. Here's the recap. First, spend 20 minutes setting up Midjourney and learning the prompt formula: descriptive, specific, high quality. Second, find one niche where people are buying now, don't guess, research Etsy bestsellers and TikTok trends. Third, use upscaling and bundling to increase the perceived value and sell more per listing. And here's your action for this week: pick one niche, generate 10 Midjourney images around that niche, and create just 5 listings on Etsy. Don't worry about perfect, ship it and improve based on real feedback. You won't make $300 this week, but you're building the foundation. Which of these methods are you going to try first, the basic Etsy route or jumping straight to bundling? Drop it in the comments, I read every single one. I drop a new AI money method every week, so hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss it. Next week I'm showing you how to use ChatGPT plus Synthesia to generate video scripts and monetize on YouTube Shorts. Subscribe so you don't miss it.